Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video we're gonna do a quick toolbox tour of my installer that does car stereos and all types of like alarms and remote starts install. So first of all, toolbox. It's a Craftsman. I know he told me he got it off some crackhead. So for a couple $100. So yeah, pretty good deal. Alright, so let's see what he got here. So we got Torx, we got Hex, we got security Torx, we got metric sockets, 3/8 metric sockets, quarter drive, we got his snap-on light, got a variety of battery chargers, got a torch, we have a small set of SAE for whenever we get some older stuff to work on. Then you get some wire for soldering. We bought some screwdrivers from the looks of it. Then you get a bunch of terminals, pencils, a bunch of Sharpies here. Alright, so it looks like we got the Husky, metric and standard. We got ratchets, no fancy shit here. One is Evercraft, made in Taiwan. And then Pittsburgh, he actually got this on my recommendation. He got this for my recommendation because they're badass ratchets for the price. And it looks like we got another, some no brand name, and the gear wrench. But he does prefer those guys, the Pittsburgh ones over anything. Then he uses the crap out of those bad boys here. Looks like he got a couple extensions. So as you can tell, he works with wiring a lot. So there's lots of wiring cutters of all types over here. Then you have your crimper tools. Then you have the wire strippers here. And just a bunch of basic pliers. Another crimper over here. He does love this one. So then we have some T-handles, all Huskies. Looks like some Torx drivers. Some variety of screwdrivers here. So then you have the radio kits for all types of German cars mostly. Got more wire, got some tools, and you get the crank puller. Some picks. I believe this one is security. Yeah, this is the little Harbor Freight kit. I love these kits. And this is for dynamite, I believe. And then the cleanup tool. What the shit is this? I don't know what that is. Then you got his air tools. And then I think this is for his router bits to make custom boxes and stuff like that. And you got just the basic air tools, nothing crazy. You get some Bosch drill bits, then you get some bunch of bypasses, some big fuses, tons of electrical tape. We only use the EM tape. EM tape is good stuff. Here's his main drawer over here. So you got rigid driver, rigid drill. This is one of his favorite tools actually. The little Husky 3/8 ratchet. He swears by it. I compare it to my Milwaukee, it's a lot heavier, but he loves this thing. Then you got the DeWalt impact. You got more drill. You get a nice gear wrench pick set. Then you got a bunch of miscellaneous bolts. And again, another set for the router and the hammer. And then you got glue gun, you got some wiring, and then you have heat shrink, you got the grommets and level and a bunch of other stuff. Again, this is kind of drilling holes in body, make sure that water doesn't leak in it. So this is his electrical drawer. So what's that for in there? So yeah, this is his testers, all types of different testers, terminals. You have the Harbor Freight Special over here, and you have a pack speaker tester, and you have Fluke electrical tester over here. And I think this one is like commercial electric. Yep, commercial electric over here. Oh, and this one is actually just the AutoZone special test light that will show you actual voltage on it. Those are pretty cool. I have one of those in one of my boxes. So you have basic Husky set over here, and then Wagner heat gun, and then Saturn, or not Saturn, sorry, the plastic welding kit from Harbor Freight. Worked pretty well. And then this is where the sound comes from. So over here we have a little battery charger power strip, just and the cases for the tools. So like cases for the plastic welder and stuff like that. So yeah, that's kind of quick and dirty tour for the toolbox for the car stereo installer, alarm, and remote start installer. And this is the fancy router table, by the way, just Craftsman. And by fancy I mean the one that was on sale. And this is his little to-go bag. Alright guys, if you like the channel, please subscribe. Hit like if you liked the video, hit dislike if you didn't. Take care and have a good day.